Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious and easy Indomie and egg frittata. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious and easy recipe, continue watching as I share with you. The first ingredient you need for this recipe is raw eggs. Okay, so what you're going to do is to break in the eggs into a clean bowl. Add the Indomie seasoning and pepper. Add chopped onions and fresh pepper. Then you whisk. Set this aside. In a boiling water, add the Indomie and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After which you drain water. Then in a dry pan, add some vegetable oil to grease the pan. Then you put the cooked Indomie and spread it across the pan. Pour in the egg mixture. Add some chopped carrots. Some chopped green pepper. Some chopped fried cow liver. Then you cover and leave to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Guys, our delicious Indomie and egg frittata is ready. This is an easy breakfast recipe your family will love. Okay, so if you're used to one type of breakfast, okay, this recipe is a kind of go-to recipe you should try out, and you are going to love this recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. So for the measurements, I'll be leaving it in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Thank you. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.